Brain fog after 50 is not inevitable. It's usually inflammation. Maybe you're like many women who start forgetting words mid-sentence or walk into a room and forget while you're there. You feel mentally slower than you normally do. And everyone says, oh, that's just aging. But what if it's not aging? What if it's just inflammation? We have been culturally conditioned to believe that cognitive decline is automatic with age. But here's the real truth. Healthy aging does not automatically equal brain fog. There are many 70 and 80-year-olds that are sharp, focused, and mentally vibrant. What's the difference? Inflammation. It's not just in your brain, it starts in the gut. Inflammation in the brain is a protective response. But when it becomes chronic, low-grade, and constant, that's when it starts changing the brain. It can slow the processing speed, disrupt neurotransmitter balance, affect memory formation, reduce mental energy, increase anxiety and mood swings. Inflammation can cross the blood-brain barrier, and one of the biggest sources of chronic inflammation is your digestive system. Your gut and brain are in constant communication through the vagus nerve, immune signaling, neurotransmitter production, and after 50, several things shift. Estrogen declines, gut diversity often decreases, digestive enzymes decline, stomach acid reduces, and stress loads increases. And this can lead to poor nutrient absorption, blood sugar swings, increased intestinal permeability, and systemic inflammation. And suddenly what feels like aging is actually inflammatory signaling. Most women after 50 carry years of stress, caregiving responsibilities, hormonal shifts, sleep disruption, blood sugar instability. All these increase the inflammatory load. And inflammation drains the mitochondrial energy, the energy needed for your brain cells to function. So brain fog is usually not deterioration, but cellular stress. And cellular stress can be improved. If your brain feels foggy, tired, and slower, it doesn't mean you're declining. It usually means your gut needs support, your inflammation needs calming, your blood sugar needs stabilizing, and your nutrient absorption needs strengthening. So brain fog after 50 is not inevitable. It's usually inflammation. And inflammation can be addressed naturally. If this resonates with you, consider taking the Gut Health Brain Clarity Assessment in the comments below. It helps uncover what inflammatory drivers are affecting your focus, mood, and energy, because a happy gut does support a clearer mind, and that is not too late for you.